Okay guys, it's the next morning. Gonna resume progress on the Durango. Gonna have to get these seats out. I think that's gonna be through the bottom here, but we can check through the trunk too. It might be different. See if we lift this up. Okay guys, I got the bottom halves of the rear seats moved up, and it looks like it's pretty much the same concept as with the second row seats. It's all the way across, which I did not expect, but there's a bolt here and right there and there, and it looks like you got some bigger ones in the backs of each side. So I guess I'll just start trying to get those off. Alright guys, I got all the bolts out of the seats. They look loose. I'm now going to do a time lapse of me removing it. Okay, so the rear seats, well, the rear seats are out, and now we're left with this. Looks like these side things are going to have to come off because the carpet's underneath it. So I think it should just be a few bolts. I'll go ahead and set up the camera for that. Alright, so I had a snap stud here I had to get out with a left-handed drill bit. Just thought I'd throw that in there. So now everything should be off to get this side out. Okay, I got it pulled up from the rear. There's a colony of ants. That's going to be fun to get out. And then also it's snowing. Well, it's kind of snowing. Can't really see it on camera. Yeah, you can see a few flurries. So let's go ahead and get that out, I guess. Okay guys, the carpet is completely out. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take these panels off too. I wasn't gonna, but there's a bunch of ants and I'm worried they're gonna be under it, so I'm just gonna have to completely remove it. There's a colony right here, and it goes all the way down to another colony in the front. They are just everywhere. I don't even know if you can get them out. Like, even if I kill, or at least remove 90% of them, or say even 95%, say there's a 5% I didn't even know was there. I don't even know if they can like repopulate or just die or what would happen. But I'm gonna try my best to get rid of all of them, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I got the sides, whatever that you call those things, out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum the pine straw and then clean everything. Probably with Clorox or something similar, just to make it look a little better and not smell bad. You know. Okay, so I started vacuuming. I just wanted to show you guys an update of how it's looking. I've gotten all the way to about there. It needs to be wiped down, but all the loose debris is out, and I vacuumed these foam things in there. They're looking pretty good. Okay, I got the entire interior vacuumed. It looks like the time lapse did not focus for that last segment, so that sucks. But all the loose debris is out. I'm now going to take some Clorox wipes and wipe the entire floor. Okay guys, I got the car wiped down. The entire floor is clean. The car is finally starting to smell a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and end part 2 here. And the next part, I'm going to clean all the door panels, the dash, shampoo the headliner, and clean all the interior bits over there.